And now it's time for IP news. So, when a business slows down, most companies cut spending, but some companies do the exact opposite. They double down on innovation and patents. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now with global automated Stellantis, the company behind brands like Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, and Fiat. According to a Reuters report, even the company faces economic pressure and softer sales in part due to the auto market. Its innovation leadership says that they plan to keep filing patents aggressively. Now, that might sound counterintuitive. When companies tighten their budgets, research and intellectual property are often some of the first things to get cut. But Stellantis appears to be believing that pulling back now could mean falling behind later.
But Stellantis is taking the opposite approach. Instead of pulling back, they see this moment as an opportunity to strengthen their long-term competitive position. The thinking is simple. Technology cycles don't just stop just because the economy slows down. And if you keep innovating and keep protecting those innovations, you may emerge from the downturn much stronger than your competitors who paused investment.
There's also a strategic element to this timing. Economic downturns can actually be a powerful moment to build intellectual property. When competitors are cutting budgets and slowing research, companies that keep investing can quietly build a very strong patent portfolio. And when the market rebounds, those patents can give them a major advantage. So while it may be a bit unusual to increase innovation efforts during a business continuation, historically, some of the most successful companies have done exactly that.
And there's a lesson here for entrepreneurs and founders as well. When cash flow tightens, intellectual property often gets pushed to the bottom of the priority list. But the long-term value of a company is often tied to the technology it owns and protects. Companies that continue building and protecting their innovations, even during uncertain times, can come out of the downturn with stronger positioning and more valuable assets.
So innovation creates opportunities, but patents help secure that opportunity. The Stellantis strategy highlights an important point. The companies that keep investing in technology during the hardest moments are often the ones best positioned to lead when the economy turns around. And if you have an idea or an invention that you want to protect, the team at Gearhart Law helps entrepreneurs turn ideas into protected assets. You can learn more about patents.com or learn more about trademarks.com for a free consultation and practical guides to get you started.